as a financial advisor, what I do tell people based on your own stage in life is that we look at you, then we build a portfolio for you. In your portfolio, we have different type of stock there. Portfolio is just like a combination of different investment options. Talking about fixed deposit, even real estate. You can do real estate through wealth by buying stock of real estate or buying land.
I would like to ask this question. Can we address some of this issue, the issue of CBEX? Nigerians, continue to fall to this Ponzi scheme, and you've seen year in, year out, and this is another big disaster in terms of finance in Nigeria. Why do you think Nigeria won? Why do you think they keep falling into this? And is it that there's no enough awareness outside there? The government claim that they've done a lot of awareness, but Nigerians don't want to listen to it. And why is it that? Because I've also heard information about, world influential people outside there, knowledgeable people also falling into the trap of CBEX. What do they do this time around, and they were able to, trap a lot of people into this? And what do you think government should also do about this?
Okay, about the CBEX issues, I think I have addressed this on some of my videos on my Facebook page. Um, I'm empathize with people who fell for it because they are human beings. So I empathize with them. They also try to, it's a matter of them trying to make money and get rid of, poverty. So, which is exactly why they were able to be trapped into this plan. So, what I'm saying in essence is that, you know, when there is poverty on the land, the rational thinking would be drastically low. So, in Nigeria today, the larger part of the population are the downside. So, and everybody, one way or the other, are looking for quicker way to end to have the end means. So, when they come with this kind of, platform, because before I can judge, I need to understand. I look at the app and I discover that this app is being designed in such a way that even if you are an expert, you will hardly know that this is a Ponzi. Because if we are to look at the attribute of Ponzi, Ponzi doesn't have an underlying product that they are selling. But this time around, they come up with an underlying product that, okay, we are trading crypto. As we are trading crypto, of course, we all know that people can make money from crypto. Making 2%, 3% from crypto in a month, in a day, shouldn't be a problem for those who play at that, area, who understand it very well, even in Forex. So to make 2% of your capital on a daily basis shouldn't be a problem. So it is through this they trap people. They say people will make 2% of their capital daily. It's not that they say, come, invest 500, you get your 500 back in a day. It's quite different from how. So, and this trend continue like that. And you can see sometimes they are using put, call, parity, all those terminology that they use in advanced financing
Yeah,
in a derivative market.
yeah.
Those are the things they actually use. So, of course, even if you are a financial expert, you need to have a contentment that because I don't know the person that I'm trading with, for that reasons, I won't want to trade. But talking about organized crime, these people are so much organized. So as a result of that, people fell for it. But above all, above all, what I can discover, what I see the most is that the level of financial literacy is too low. So that is why I think it is high time that all hands should be on deck for those that are, you know, high that have high knowledge about the financial literacy and financial experts to start pitching this. When people don't have fear or worry for money, they don't have reasons to rush and and jump into everything they see. Once you have a, systematic way of how you grow your own you growing financially, so automatically you will see that what am I actually looking for, what I'm looking for. If I didn't have it now, provided that I'm consistent in what I'm doing, automatically I will get it in the next so years. So because there were little financial literacy, I mean, just of people who play in this area are not really experts because they don't know. They are only seeing, once they read one or two books, they think they have arrived as a financial expert, they start talking about it. But it's because they don't know, and they don't even know how to put people out to actually build their own passive income portfolio, because that is the essence. Everybody wants passive income. Of course, everybody deserves passive income,
Mm.
because no matter what you do, if you never have if your passive income is never grown above your active income, you have not gotten there. That is just the meaning. Until your passive income return can sustain your standard of living, that is when you can say that yes, I have arrived. So once you have, and we advise people, build continue building this, continue working on this, continue doing this, continue doing that, like that, like that, like that, like that, like that, and it's growing that way. I think with that, as time goes on, people will be learning. As time goes on, people will no longer fall for this. So it's already come. People have seen it, and people have already learned their lesson. Just of people who
Mm.
learn through MMM will have be skeptical when this one comes. So people who learn from this as well will have also be skeptical. If another one still come, even if they attach it with product, they will ask further questions. Who are we trading with? Where is this insurance? What are the guarantee that this thing is going to, our money is going to return this and that? Then when they tell you that something has no risk at all, that thing itself is a risk.
But Animasha, I would like us to look at it in this perspective. In year, out of the year, in the year, next year, 2 years, so many times there have been information that such things also happen. You mentioned the case of MMM. There are a lot of people that have also been part of MMM. You also see they are also part of the CBEX. Because you also said earlier that it looks so beautiful that it looks like the likes of the cryptocurrency, the likes of Ethereums and the likes of it. But you still see a lot of people still falling into it. Is it that there's no enough awareness outside there for people to keen to and learn from?
I can say that there's not enough awareness, but at the same time, MMM happens in 2016, if I'm not mistaken. If I'm not mistaken, before this time around. So that is 20, about 10 years, after the incident of MMM. And you should be aware that some other little Ponzi also came actually before this one, but they are not that popular like this. They are not popular like this because those ones are not really coordinated. That's why I told you that this one, you will hardly know that this is a Ponzi. That's why I don't blame those that did it, because it doesn't come in form of Ponzi at all. So now, when I say the awareness needed to be created, we need to be contented and understand that anything we want to venture into must be, when it comes to investment, must be something that is originated in our country. And then the sector that regulated the investment space, which is Security Exchange Commission, must be, you must be aware that this thing, it is being regulated by them. Through that, through that, people will hardly fall for that. So above all, the awareness about financial literacy, we need to continue pitching it. So people will be more informed, will be more educated. Then when they see a red flag, we need to tell them what are the red flag, that this, if this thing comes in this way, it is a red flag that you need to like run away from. Don't fall for it. And so it is all about awareness, it's all about information, and it's all about education.
On this note, we draw the curtain and we say thank you for being part of this section. I still remain Hayotunde Ogubono.